Let's say.
It is 6:59 and we're gonna die in 1 minute.
It's May 21st.
Just wait for
We're
this.
going to die.
This is gonna be
We're going to die.
all over when we're already dead.
We're going to die. Before somebody's death.
What time is it?
6:59.
Oh my god.
Here, Kyle, you
It's gonna
record.
be an earthquake.
Record it, Kyle, please. No. He didn't want to record.
6:59. We're gonna die.
Does it look like an earthquake's gonna happen?
This is earthquake weather.
It's still light outside. That's a sign. That's a sign of an earthquake.
Oh my gosh. Do you hear the birds? They're screaming. They're
Oh my
extending.
gosh. No, it's not. Is it really? Well, we'll give it a minute.
Has to set in.
Here, Kyle. You record.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
We need a door frame or something.
Here, let's wait. Well, this is awkward.
Well, 7 o'clock,
There's no earthquake?
and I'm still alive.
Oh my god, I thought there was gonna be an earthquake. That dude on the news?
Yeah.
I was for sure he was right.
Oh, it's supposed to be happening tomorrow too. Just saying.
Oh, they changed it to
7:01,
tomorrow?
are you kidding me? That
Yeah.
wasn't true?
They changed it to tomorrow
That
now.
wasn't
Oh,
true?
that makes sense. What? What?
They changed it.
I'm mad. Oh my gosh.